Multi-step inequalities. After watching this video, I will be able to solve inequalities involving distributive property. There are a few things you want to remember when solving multi-step inequalities. Should you be using an open circle or a closed circle? Is my variable on the left or on the right, and what does that mean? Do I ever divide or multiply by a negative number, and what is the significance? So let's take a look at a few practice problems. So here I have an example, and the very first step is I want to distribute that -4 because I still want to follow the same rules I would for solving regular equations. So I'm going to multiply -4 with 1 and -7x. So that's going to give me -4. -4 times a -7 is a positive 28x. And then I'm going to bring down my symbol and my 164 because I did not do anything with it. My goal is to isolate the variable, so I'm going to add this 4 to move it over to the right. So I have 28x less than 168. I'm going to divide by 28 on both sides so that I can get x by itself. So that's going to give me 6. I'm going to bring down my symbol, so my symbol is going to be a less than symbol. Because it's less than, I'm going to have an open circle at the number 6. Next thing to consider is my variable on the left or on the right. Well, x is on the left, so this means that x is smaller than 6, or x is less than 6. So all the possible solutions to this inequality will be on the left. And you can check your answer by saying, let's pick a random number and see if the inequality is true. 3 less than 6, that's true, so yes, this is correct. Another thing you want to consider is, did you multiply or divide by a negative number? We did not in this case. That's why our answer is true. Let's look at another problem. Again, we are going to distribute the 5. So I am going to end up with -15x plus 35 less than or equal to 110. Then I'm going to subtract 35 on both sides. So I'm going to end up with -15x. Bring down your symbol. 113 minus 35 is going to give me 75. Then I am going to divide by -15 on both sides to isolate my variable. So 75 divided by -15 is going to give me -5. But because we divided by a negative number on both sides, my symbol is going to flip. It's now going to be a greater than or equal to symbol. So now I need to decide whether I'm using an open or closed circle. Closed circle at -5, and then x is greater than or equal to -5, meaning bigger. So I'm going to shade to the right. And this makes sense because if I pick the random number of -4 to be my x, -4 would be greater than -5. This is true, so yes. I suggest that you pause this video, try and do the problem, and then see if you get the answer I will show you on your screen. You can pause your video now. So the answer to this inequality would be m is greater than -7 or -7 is less than m.